Doctor, thank you so much for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
What does everyone have right now?
Unfortunately, influenza A.
Really? And is it hitting all age brackets?
Yes. Yep.
Tell me why the kids are kind of so prone to be bringing something into the home.
Well, when you think about it, adults, we might spend time in a closed room with like 2 or 3 people. But kids, they are spending 6 hours a day with 30 kids all right next to them. So if one kid has it, it's more likely that other kids will get it just because of the fact that they're so enclosed spaces, large numbers of kids.
All right, and then they come home. What can we do at home to boost our immune system to help maybe other members of the family not get sick?
So first thing, good hand washing. If you're sick, isolating away from the family if possible. I know that's not always easy. Another thing too is if you are sick, I know I'm a parent myself, and it's hard to have the kids stay home because that means I have to stay home as well. But not sending your kids into school because that's where all these kids are getting the illness in the first place. So those are always good measures, but a good healthy diet is good as well.
How do we know? It's kind of tough. Am I sick enough to call out or not? Where's that line? How do we make that decision?
I mean, if you have a fever and you're just feeling really yucky and your cough is really bad, those are pretty good indications that you're probably best to stay home and recover. Because if you do push yourself and you're out there at school or work, you're just prolonging it, actually.
Yeah, and the people around you get the side eye on the cough. What's going on with RSV and COVID?
So RSV is one of my most unfavorite illnesses. It's quite scary for young kids, especially you get like less than 2 years of age. You get these little babies coming in, they're coughing, they're gooey, snotty everywhere. Parents are worried. We do have quite a bit of cases. I think it'll probably ramp up continually through January and February. That's what I did last year. I am not a fan of that illness. Have not seen a whole lot of COVID, fortunately, but do see quite a bit of RSV, but I think influenza is taking the cake as of right now.
And is there still time to go get the vaccine?
Yes, there is. I mean, especially if you have someone who's an infant and mom did not get the RSV immunization when she was pregnant in her 3rd trimester, yes, definitely getting the immunization for RSV is highly recommended for kids, as well as influenza as well.
And we've talked about a couple measles cases here in Maricopa County and here in Arizona. Are you seeing that yet or no?
I have not, but I am keeping my eye because that's, when we compare the contagiousness of things like, COVID or flu, measles, it just wipes the floor because it is super contagious. I mean, if one person in a room that has measles, essentially everyone's getting measles. That's how contagious it is. So that's another one to keep your eye out for. Okay,
well, the Phoenix Open is next week. So I want to use my PTO for fun times. Give me one tip to do to stay healthy going into this next stretch.
Try to avoid people that are coughing, maybe. I don't know. Well, one good thing is it's outdoors, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I mean, avoiding people who are obviously sick who shouldn't be at the Open in the first place.